In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send HTML email in Gmail. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, head to the top right corner and click the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. From the menu that appears, select Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, click into the search bar and type HTML editor for Gmail by CloudHQ, then press enter. From the search results, click on the extension. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. When the browser confirmation pop-up appears, click Add Extension to install it. After the installation is complete, return to your Gmail tab. In the top left corner, click the Compose button to open a new message window. In the Compose window, look at the bottom formatting toolbar. You will now see an HTML icon displayed as a bracket symbol. Click this icon to open the CloudHQ editor. If prompted, log in or create your account to continue. Inside the editor window, click the source button to switch to code view. Delete any existing code in the window, then paste your custom HTML code. I'm going to paste mine. If you want my HTML code template, you can find it in the description below. After pasting the code, you'll see the live preview result on the right side. You can edit the code to your liking, and once you're done making adjustments, continue to the next step. Click the Close Editor button in the top right corner of the editor window to return to Gmail. Your formatted HTML design will now appear inside the email body. Enter the recipient's address in the To field and add your subject line. Review everything to make sure it looks correct, then click the Send button. Congratulations.